สวัสดีค่ะยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ช่องนิสาอินอิงแลนด์และนิสาพากินพาเที่ยวนะคะคลิปนี้เราก็มาเที่ยวกันที่เมืองไบรตันนะคะทุกคนมาเที่ยวริมทะเลชายหาดไบรตันค่ะแล้วก็เดินชมบรรยากาศรอบๆนะคะทุกคนไบรตันเพียนะคะที่เมืองนี้นักท่องเที่ยวมากันเยอะมากๆโดยเฉพาะหน้าร้อนนะคะทุกคนวิวทะเลสวยๆอาหารทะเลริมทะเลนะคะแล้วก็ไบรตันเพียนั้นจะมีเกมหลากหลายให้คนได้เล่นนะคะทุกคนสาก็หวังว่าทุกคนจะชื่นชอบคลิปนี้นะคะขอบคุณทุกคนที่เข้ามารับชมคลิปนะคะก็ฝากกดไลค์กดติดตามเป็นกำลังใจให้ด้วยนะคะทุกคนขอบคุณมากๆค่ะ
เราก็จะไปหาของกินก่อนนะคะทุกคนอันนี้ก็เป็นกิฟต์ช็อปนะคะร้านขายของกิฟต์ช็อปโดนัทเราจะมาซื้อโดนัทกันนะคะทุกคนชูการ์โดนัทEd, what you got? Can you show? He upside down the octopus. You got hold it, squid. Do you order donut? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Is that enough? It's already gone.
Alright. Can you, if you want to get in, get in. Let's get out of the way.
Said move.
Yourself.
ของกิน This is what we have มาดูกันค่ะว่าเอเวนโอเปนชินนามอน Sugar and cinnamon
Yeah.
ดูค่ะทุกคนโดนัทอร่อยไหมไปไหนเสร็จร้อนทุกคน น want to walk around on that side. They go out? Or
I don't know where he's going. I'm going to take pictures.
want to look outside. Where we go now?
Where you want to go, babe? Nudist beach?
Where nudist beach?
I know. Nudist beach. I mean,
Shall we
people
go
walk around with
on the
everybody
train? Go where seafood? Where seafood sell? Outside? Ooh, too far, you know. Where? Okay. Can we
Let's
go?
have a go down there.
Can we go?
I'm sure it's further than that, though. Can't go this way.
They're closed. Look. Yeah. Daddy know everything. And took us and where they closed. Ooh. What's that? Organic, just oyster. Wow. Oyster. £1.80 each. Anyone want oyster? You want?
I'll try it. I'll see what
It's raw, Eve. You never eat. Honey, want one? Oyster. Three, no? One is one.
Yeah.
Three. Can we have 3 oyster, please?
You might as well get 6 for a tenner.
6 for 10, no? Okay then. We have 6, please. Okay. 6 oyster and เอาอะไรอีกอ่ะ อันนี้เป็นทางอาหารทะเลนะคะทุกคน If you want anything, darling,
What are you
Evan?
after?
They have that prawn,
Bobtail.
lobster. See? Prawn here, prawn.
Get a small bowl of prawns or a medium small.
For Evan.
Medium prawns.
It's
You want
okay
mussel
for
then?
me. Take a video. Thank you. 6
Yeah, can we
oyster,
have a medium prawns, please?
medium prawn.
Yeah. Do you want any sauce on it?
Sure. Yeah. What curry?
What sauce? You can choose the sauce over there.
Go on,
Oh,
what else you want? You want some mussels?
No. That one. That one. That one.
Whelks?
Yeah, that one.
All right. Can I have that small whelks as well, please?
Can I have a bit of lobster tail?
Daddy eat?
I really like
Bye.
lobster.
Sorry.
Lobster.
It's on my little plate.
Put on the plate there.
Come on then. Right. Anyone not want to go and get any sauce? I'm not bothered about sauce, so.
Yes, please.
Nice one, thank you. Oysters.
ทุกคน หอยนางรม
Even nice.
หอยนางรม
Even lobster.
Nice.
6 ตัว 10 ปอนด์นะคะทุกคน แล้วก็นี่หอย หอย
Calico.
nice
What's that?
Well,
What?
well,
What's Welsh?
no.
I was kind of not expecting that.
how is it
It's nice. Something in my teeth though.
มันเล็กไหมเนี่ย small มันเนี่ย
One little look.
the shell ป่ะ
Shell. Yeah, something shell got stuck in my teeth.
อ้าว
I'm gonna try this.
Mm.
It's nice.
Good.
Oh, lovely.
หอยนางรมทุกคน เปรี้ยว eat honey eat set
Welsh.
good
Been a long time, yeah.
long time we not have it
Used to buy these all the time.
Waitrose yeah don't know if they still sell it or not
Really nice.
you give me to eat
Yeah.
Really nice.
Mark by Waitrose.
We used to shop in there all the time.
Was it expensive at the time?
Yeah, it was really cheap. What you used to do,
It's always nice,
you
though.
timed it right. You go in there and they were knocking out all the seafood for the day. We used to go and buy it all cheap.
nice
Mm.
how's it Abe? good
It's the Welsh.
yeah
This.
yeah
Nice.
nice
Yeah.
You
I
just
can't get so slippery now.
Trying to get the rest of it.
just use your tip because they don't much. Here, use this. Use this one.
This
Mom.
one goes. That's
That's
fine.
enough. Gonna be too sour. Now
How do I
eat it. Just eat it. Just slide it to your mouth. Chill. How's it? Got some chill?
How you getting on?
Only a little bit. Wow,
Lemon.
like a shell.
Slam. Oh, daddy. Oh.
Lemon on my legs.
Hi. What did Evan eat?
I had a Welch and I had a prawn, and both were nice.
The raw one, probably.
เดี๋ยวมามีไปเอาซอสก่อน
Oh, I still
How
got
many
the taste
oysters
of
did you
salt.
have, honey?
I order 6. I ate one.
I eat two.
Well, I've had two and everything.
Right.
I only had
That's all
one.
of it gone, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Spicy. ซอสนี้เผ็ดมากนะทุกคน เผ็ดแล้วก็เปรี้ยว
It's good for spice to help you spice it.
with seafood ซอสพริกของฝรั่ง yeah
I'm gonna have another Welch.
have it
That'd be brilliant.
eat it
I love Welch.
I love seafood. Right, it's nice.
That's hot.
wind spreadไปเอฟฮะ
Stevenson. I know the man that owns this greengrocers. This one here. Stevenson. I'd love to go there. Still Stevenson. For soldiers who lose their eyesight. That's where they live. Lion veterans, yeah.